Hey, it's James, Father's Rights and Resources, hashtag how I got custody. If you have a question or a topic you want me to talk about, put it in the comments. This is on YouTube Shorts. Hopefully more people see it than they would a regular video. Sometimes the shorts do well, sometimes the regular videos do well. Although it's not like it used to be. I don't know if I'm shadow banned or doxxed or not doxxed, but I don't know. The algorithm is working against me, and also don't worry about James is going to chew my head off if he thinks it's a dumb question. No, if I invite people to ask questions in comments, if I can't answer it, I'll just say I can't answer it, or that's too much. I'll just pass on by it. The only time I really chew people out about dumb questions or comments is when they come on my page and it's a hater comment or it's stuff that they made up, or they're part of the whole problem, where all they do is whine, cry, piss and moan, and it's hopeless, and you don't know what you're talking about, James, and you shouldn't brag so much about winning in court. Well, what am I supposed to do? You want me to be like one of these losers and not tell you there's hope and you can win? The reason I talk about how much I've won and the things that I've won is to show people that there's hope. A warehouse worker who flunked out of college destroyed attorneys in court. If I could do it, you could do it. I just had somebody who had drug addiction issues going to court, and it was a woman, and she hadn't seen her kids in a while, and she destroyed the father's attorney and destroyed the father. He's a psychotic narcissist. He was doing drugs with her too, but he had an attorney that railroaded her, and she was blindsided. And then she just had her trial. I helped her get ready for trial. She destroyed the attorney. And now we're waiting on the decision. We'll see how that goes. They're going to at least gradually reunify her with the kids. They have to at least do that. But she was so happy. She couldn't believe it. And her first hearing, she had a poor showing. She was nervous and rattled and stuff and got railroaded. And then she prepped with me for a long time. It's a last-minute cram, but it was a lot of hours prepping for trial. And she worked her tail off studying, and she was ready to go. So it can be done. So if I told you, hey, I did this and I did that, and I don't show you any winning results, and yeah, I might say, look, I won in court. Why are you listening to these losers? That's just a fact. If you're overly sensitive about that, then you're part of the problem of this sissified, emasculated, ballless generation. So all I wanted to hear when I started off my court case was from winners. And I never tell you guys stuff I haven't done myself or haven't approached myself, or I say, why don't you have this mentality? Because I actually had it on my own without any help or guidance. Anyway, comments or questions or topics in